Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Curve Editor in DaVinci Resolve. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Now, linear animation looks rigid and unnatural. To create professional smooth deceleration curves, you must access the graph view inside the upper left keyframe panel. So right here, let me close media pool like so. Click on the keyframe curves icon located at the top left of the editor. So you will find it right over here, keyframe curves. So this will toggle the interface from simple diamond icon into a visual spline line graph, mapping changes across your timeline. As you can see here, we can also do this right here. So we have now position Y and we have position zoom Y right over here. We can also activate our crop thing also. Just give me here, okay, like so. Find the specific attribute line you want to smooth out. So for example, this one here, position Y, and click on its keyframe node. You can also double click on it and you can change it. You can change by typing in the number, or you can move it just like so on this timeline, basically on this chart, basically where you want. And yeah, you can do that for all of them. You see here we have X position right over here. Once your curves are exposed, you can use the interpolation tool to smooth the transition rate. So highlight the keyframe points on the graph line like so. Use Ctrl and click on the lines to select them. So right now you see that we have two lines selected. And above here you will see this small menu and you will see here linear, ace in and out, ace out, step in, and so on. And you can use that. So if you click on ace in to round out the curve right before the animation stops, it will establish a gradual slowdown effect. And yeah, this is basically how to use Curve Editor in DaVinci Resolve. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.